Nice Bronco. They got the OJ edition too. Oh, jeez. Yeah, you're old if you know that reference. Barley Sheep School. Wonder if they teach you how to brew beer there. And now we're going to be stuck behind a couple of 18-wheelers. Loving it. You know what? I am loving it. Because, damn, I sound like a damn McDonald's commercial. Anyway, yeah, there's, let's see, Williams Harley Davidson is up this way. I don't know exactly where it is. I know it's up in this area. Hadn't planned on going this way, but, oh, there it is, Honda. Oh, no. Oh, here we are. Oh, dead deer. That's a shame. Perfectly good venison going to waste. Well, there's Round Valley. Let's go take a ride around the valley. Ah, damn bugs already. One lane underpass. Well, you know what that means. What my good buddy John likes to say, concert hall. Let's see what we can do here. And not too bad. All right, we're gonna turn around. We're gonna do that again. And big old sweeping turn there. Yeah, this little bit of road right here is worth the whole trip. And the view is pretty darn nice too. So we're going up to where? I don't know. We're moving on up to the east side, but this is actually the west side, so sorry. To a deluxe apartment in the sky. Fire danger high. Let's see. Park entrance, park office. Scuba registration? People really diving in this lake? Is it deep enough? See, this is why I can't do any kind of travel videos, because I'm just sitting here talking to myself about nonsense. Camping. I know they had camping up this way. Yeah, I'm gonna put my food in the in my vehicle and have my motorcycle destroyed by a bear. I don't think so. You ever have one of those kind of deja vu things where you're like, you get on the road and like, man, have I been on this before? Look at that. We got cows. Jeez. What state am I in now? This video is gonna be so screwed up. Are you kidding me? Is that bison over there? I swear those were bison. Alright, I'm gonna have to see about zooming in on that footage. I'll probably just take these people off because I'm slowing down. I'm like, wait a minute, why am I seeing bison in New Jersey? Are you kidding me? Wow. What a day. Gotta love it. Never know what you're gonna see on a motorcycle. You've got to be shitting me. Ah, we'll go this way. Screw it. Oh, there's a 7-Eleven. Go grab a hot dog at 7. Man, this parking lot is pretty bad. Oh, back on the road. Grabbed a quick little bite to eat there at 7-Eleven. One of those wonderful hot dogs. Yeah. A little chili and cheese on there.